better than mine.
Probably the same. That's okay. So this is Dr. Calera is the head of ED.
Doctor, are you?
So once they get here, they come in. The patients will go into that suspected cases.
Suspected.
Yes. Once they fit the case definition, if it's a walking, so we've got a setup for those patients who are not really 6 or 4 beds, some monitoring. And we assess and take their samples here, and they are isolated in this room. Once the staff, once they are done with assessing, they will go out, and if they need to go out into the main door, they'll have to. These are the ones that we find outside if we need to choose.
So besides this one for the sick one, how many other beds have you got?
So we've got the isolation and steam with four of them up there. And once we're Prime Minister, Honorable Ministers, distinguished members of Parliament, we are all concerned about the well-being of all. For now, we are fortunate that we only had a preparation, a presentation by Dr. Mara reflect the preparation that we.
It's university. It's been used widely, and of course the WHO is also using it. Total deaths as from now is about 7,000. Australia and New Zealand, with Australia about 377 confirmed, and even all over the world. And that's the epidemiological criteria, meaning the travel stop. Sorry?
No, it's empty. It's an empty hospital at the moment, so it'll take a little time.
What are going to electricity?
It's operational for
I think we should start planning this hospital. Yes. Where the doctors come in and well.
This is a mobilization, the infection.
Declare this one. Huh? Declare this one. Yeah. What do we do? $70 beds altogether. 70. And that does not include the space. Then, we use this hospital. For people like me who Nou, het is niet heel.
Just provided a few slides just for brief update of what's happening with the airports and the staffing that's conducting the airport screening is by the at the airport with on COVID, especially advisory regarding preparedness. Checking for the main signs and symptoms of COVID is everyone that's identified as coughing or coming in from one. Seeing that this is a new strategy, the screening at the airport, it's an evolving strategy, right? So you can actually go and see what's happening.
Came with me on the plane. And the first flight I came in was from
Appointed. I think he was trying to tell her that we should have that attitude. Those 17 cases you refer to
From the airport, some directly from the airport, some from private clinic. So once they are admitted, they come through that exit door, through this.
Yeah, a very nice, clean hospital.
Thank you.
What's this? Oh, it's right.